With these prices that are low, many people are asking me the same question. Is now the time to buy cryptocurrency? And honestly, any of these times could have been the time to buy cryptocurrency, but I'll always answer, yeah, every time is the time to buy cryptocurrency if you feel like it is a lower price than what we've seen as highs. And if you're looking at it for a short term play, this is not what this channel is all about, right? I'm not going to tell you buy this so that you can sell it tomorrow or buy this so you can sell it next month, right? It's not a short term channel. I look for success in the actual crypto market. Besides some of the meme coins that we talk about and some of the more like quick plays that we can have, I'm looking for major success in the market that's going to happen over the long term, not just over a week, not just over a month or over a quarter. We're looking for so much more in that long term. So that's where this video comes from, and that's where my responses come from. So we're going to talk about this. We're going to look at the market. We're going to see where things are. We're going to see how things have changed and all that stuff. And hopefully you guys get some sort of information from this. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos just like this one. Also, if you want to check out my link for Patreon and Twitter, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for BTCC, which is a phenomenal platform I've been using for over a year. If you specifically use my link, you can get a 10% first deposit bonus, as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055 and trade up to 40% lower trading fees. Also, they're still doing a giveaway. By the end of this month, if you sign up, deposit, and trade, you will be entered to win a free 500 USDT. I mean, that's free money. It's a no-brainer. Check it out. Link will be at the top of the description for BTCC. But I was just looking at some comments and also looking at the market. And you know how you like look at your children, you're like, wow, the time is really flying by. Your children are getting so much bigger. Um, I look at my accounts kind of the same way, right? My accounts are getting so much larger, the potential, the growth, the all of that stuff. Because while people have been, seeing the growth and seeing the movement, they still ask me the same questions from, years ago when Bitcoin was at $17,000, less than $20,000. People were asking me that same question. Is now the time to buy cryptocurrency? Yes, the market came back down more than 50%. Of course, it's the time to buy cryptocurrency. They asked me when it went up to 40,000 and back down to like 30. Is now the time to buy cryptocurrency? Yes, right? It all depends on your situation, on what you want to get out of it. If I'm looking at it with my mind and how I think about cryptocurrency, anytime I see a rise and I see a retracement, that is the time to buy cryptocurrency. Is it the lowest price possible? No, it's not. We've seen Bitcoin lower than 20,000. We've seen Bitcoin lower than 15,000. We've seen it at very, very low spots. But does that mean that you should only buy at that spot? No, that's not what that means. Your entire crypto journey is full of opportunities. And you could take those opportunities at higher levels or lower levels. So when we think about cryptocurrency and we think about those opportunities, we look at the market here today. And we can see that the overall market's at a $3 trillion market cap. Is that anywhere near the lowest point that we've ever seen? No. We've seen the market at an $800 billion market cap. But does that mean that this is not the right time to buy? No, it doesn't mean that this is not the right time. It means that you have opportunity right in front of your face. And I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, this is the opportunity. Like I can go through and be like, all right, AVAX is at a good price, or Litecoin is at a phenomenal price at less than $80, or, ADA is at a good price. I can talk about all of these positions and say that these are at great prices, but you can go in and look at them. You can go in and see Avalanche, right? You look at the price history and literally just looking at one thing in the past year or even all-time high. In the past year, you're sitting at a high of $44.98, a low of $10.64. The current price is sitting at a $12.49 level. What does that tell you? that tells you that it is closer to the low than it is to the high, meaning that you have a lot of opportunity just by looking at that. Now, you still have to factor in whether it's still relevant. You still have to factor in whether liquidity has been pulled or anything like that, right? You have to factor in all of these different things that tell you whether it is something that's still legitimate. But just from looking at the price movement, you can see this is a phenomenal price. Is it the time to buy for AVAX? Yeah, it's the time to buy for AVAX. You can say the same thing for ADA, right? ADA is sitting at a 35-cent price point. If we look at history for the past year, $1.16. The current price is at 33. Current price is at 35 cents. The low is at 33 cents, meaning that it is closer to the low than it is to the high. You have an opportunity there. So I understand wanting somebody like me that has had success in the market, that continues to have success in the market, that holds for the long term, that believes in cryptocurrency past just seeing a fall or a rise and then a fall again. I understand that. But you have to look at it yourself and go, okay, this fits my strategy. Because my strategy is a lot more longer term. Your strategy could potentially be a little bit shorter term. You want to see $1,000 turn to $4,000 immediately. Well, that's not what this channel is all about. We're not looking to get fast money. We're looking to get consistent money, and in a market that could be and will be very, very consistent, right? Consistent gainer, consistent mover, consistent user of cryptocurrency. And then it could also fund your retirement accounts. This could also give you a potential retirement account, right? Where you have cryptocurrencies that continue to gain value over every 4-year spurt, right? So that's what I'm trying to say, right? I don't know if you're really fully following this or everybody's fully getting this, but everybody has their own opportunity. You could take that opportunity, and to say that, oh, is this the best time to buy? And then I go, yeah, it's a good time to buy. And they're like, well, what if Bitcoin goes down to 10,000? Then it goes down to 10,000. And that is the best place to buy. Is this a good place to buy compared to the high that we saw and the potential highs that we see for the future? Yeah, it's a good place to buy. But talking about, oh, it's at 80,000, but it could potentially go down to 70. Yeah, you could potentially lose money before you make money. But that's why you're establishing kind of this, I don't know, nest egg, if you want to say, right? You're establishing this foundation of your investment portfolio, especially if you haven't been in crypto yet, right? There's so much opportunity within these top cryptocurrencies that we have here. That's why I hold a bunch, and some of them, if not most of them, at the current prices are down. I hold exclusively altcoins. So altcoin season hasn't happened yet. Some of them have jumped by 300, 400, 500%, and I'm up a lot. But then other ones haven't experienced that level of growth. I have ADA. My average is like 20 something. And it's currently sitting at $12. But am I upset about that? No. Because I know that there's so much more life for ADA well above where it stands. Or, sorry, I meant AVAX. But still. ADA as well, right? I have ADA. I think my cost basis on ADA is a little bit lower, like 40 or something like that. But still, I'm down. But I'm not butthurt about it, right? There's so much more life for those. So is it a good time to buy? Yeah, I think it's a great time to buy. Is it the absolute lowest price? No, it's not. Could it be the lowest price for this time period? Yeah, it could be. Do I know if it is? No, I don't. But I know what I know, which is investing in for the long term means holding through the highs and the lows. Not just looking for the highs, selling at those highs, timing the market, getting out, getting back in at the lows. Much more difficult than people make it out to be. Because no one fully understands the crypto market. They may act like they do, but they don't. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.